How's it going, guys? Today I want to try to do my best resurface this up to the seam right here. Try to blend it in a little bit, because eventually down the road I want to paint this whole slab once it's all done. Stay tuned for the mixing and then the resurfacing. Now here I'm just spreading out the best I can. Get it smeared out all over the place. And I'll get back through it and put a good finish on it the best I can. Alright guys, I got it down and got it broomed. Best I could. Let that dry. Then I'll go back tomorrow and grind that crack back out. Alright guys, got it all finished up here. Once it's all done, over here, once I'm done pouring the rest, give it a nice paint job.